Affinity Photo can load EPS files in a few ways. Let's just go to File and then down to Open. I'm just going to use this first. So Open, select the file, EPS file, and once you've got that, you can now manipulate it. But first, Layer, just go over here and you have to expand this out. So just click there, just there, and you'll see now you've got your curve. So you can select that. As soon as you've done that, you can, of course, modify the colour here, tweak it, change it, but it's grayscale, which is not ideal. You can simply go up here to Document and Convert Format. So if you want to convert format, go there and go with RGB and select one of these, maybe that one, and convert. And you've got that. And you can change it and tweak it, modify it in all kinds of ways. But also what you can do is with this selected, make certain that is selected. And also what you need to do is Node Tool. You can see you've got the nodes there and you can drag over all of that, edit and copy. And then you can go to File and New. And I'm going to create a document. This one is RGB straight away. So create, and now you can paste this in. So paste. And of course, this doesn't need to be an empty document. This could be maybe a photo, or it could be some text. It could be other shapes and designs, which you can now just add this design to and manipulate it. And you can see now you can put it to any size. You can also click Effects. You can go here and set Gradient Overlay, Bevel and Emboss, and so on. You can also apply effects to it. You can also rasterize it. So right click and rasterize if you wish, and then apply effects that way. Another thing you can do, go to Layer, and also down here to New Adjustment Layers and Live Filter Layers, so you could add distorts, etc. to this design. So that's a number of options you can do with this effect design. Of course, also another thing you can do with it is you can now just duplicate it. So with the Move tool selected, press Return or Enter on the keyboard, and then you get this panel pop up. And you can modify the scale, duplicates, and create some really weird and wonderful designs very quickly with a number of copies like that to create that sort of design. Click OK. So let's just remove that now. What you can also do is File and Place. So File and Place, and again you can select the file. This is an EPS file. I could select any of these other EPS files as well. Now sometimes it's possible that an error will occur. Not every EPS file is perfectly formed. There is always some glitch I found with EPS, so be aware of that. Click Open. Should be okay, but sometimes not. And now I've brought this in. And now what you can do, you can resize it. So let's just drag this there because it's a bit too big there for that document. And again, the document could be an image, it could be some text, it could be other shapes and designs, anything like here as well. What you can then do is go over here and Node Tool and try and edit it. Unfortunately, it doesn't seem to let you do that. That is one problem with the place. But you've still got the design, which of course you can still right click and then go down to rasterize, maybe use various fills. Just go over here, set the fill, click there and apply all kinds of different colors to that design and something like that very quickly. And that's a run through of some of the features you can do with EPS files. Of course, there's lots more things you can do with EPS files or any vector design. Open EPS files in Affinity Photo.